You don't want to miss this.
It's going to be good.
Oh, I know it's going to be good.
Awesome.
It was awesome.
Fantastic.
Oh my God. I wish I knew earlier.
The 2 days so far have been a blast, gone by really fast. All the speakers are super engaging.
Ed seems more energized than when I saw him 15 years ago. It's impressive. I love it.
They're very good at breaking down complicated rules, giving the examples.
The crazy thing about going to an Ed Slott event is you get out of it and you say, wow, I had no idea all these things that I just never knew about IRAs.
It's like the best conference I've ever been to, so I'm excited to be back.
Networking with other professionals has been so invaluable to me.
This is so big for all of our clients.
There are some things that we wrote down and I'm like, okay, these are the people we need to contact. We don't need to wait until Monday.
So now you had a pretty good education for these 2 days. We want to give you something to talk about. Larger inheritances, more control, less tax. You start talking like that, where do I sign?